touch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you wanted to. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Birtwistle here, and welcome to Los Angeles. Here I am on my mate's boat. It's been really good so far. I flew over, as you guys saw, landed, everything was sweet in LAX, and then we actually hopped onto another plane and went to Vegas. Now, there's actually no footage from Vegas because, as you all know, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. And I didn't think that, you guys would be really interested in all that, would you? So yeah, we're now back in Marina Del Rey, and today, over the next few days, is a pretty chill one. Having a little bit of recovery time, because let's be honest, Vegas did take a little bit from my soul. So yeah, we are going to be chilling, going to do some fun stuff, see some places in Southern California. But yeah, so so far everything's been going really good. We are boys are just getting changed out the back. We're going to go grab a couple of these bird scooters. Like, we don't have these in the UK, but basically the bird scooters is like Uber for electric scooters. You literally download an app, jump on the scooter, and then take it wherever you want, and drop it off wherever you want as well. Should be a lot of fun. And also, can I say, this weather is just legit. I wish it was like this in London. Oh, it's like 25 degrees, naughty little breeze, just yeah, sick, eh? So yeah, alright guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, we found ourselves a bird's nest. Here they are. Right, so we're gonna jump on, go for a little ride. I've never used one of these before, and I'll be honest, I'm a little bit nervous about jumping on one and then trying to hold a camera and vlog at the same time as riding an electric scooter, but who knows, maybe we're gonna fall off. Let's see.
That, boom, take it, locks it in. Unlocking ride, next, take this baby off.
Here we go, first ride on the bird.
Take off. Man, if you ate shit, that'd been everything.
How you do? Those little bird scooters are so much fun. I honestly see why loads of people have them here, because they are super cheap, super convenient, easy to ride. Just go up, beep your phone on the thing, and then you just start riding it, nice and easy. Also, it helps a lot that it's beautifully sunny. I mean, it'd be cool if they're in London, but at the same time, I'm not sure they'd be quite as popular when it's raining and grey and cold. That being said, I might have to buy one because they are a lot of fun.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire.
What's up? So we are down at Hermosa Beach. A little drive through along the coast today. It's actually been really nice. We picked up another one of the lads. We're just gonna kind of check out a few of the sites. I really wish this was in London. Like, are we for real? Look at the state of this beach and all the way around here. Honestly, it is absolutely a gem. We were planning on heading down to Orange County today, but it turns out that that's, I think, an hour away and it's a bit late in the day. We got a bit carried away on the scooters earlier, so we don't have time to go there now.
You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting.
Trying to go down the stairs whilst holding the camera looking at yourself is a predicament, I tell you. Right, we ready to go? How am I just gonna jump over?
Hey, so I don't need to get my phone because you're gonna have enough.
Yo!
Let's do it. Well done. Here, hold it.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow.
You got the purple boat. Look at that thing. This guy is killing it. It's got a jacuzzi.
Yeah, right.
Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. Stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you,
Yo, this place is sick. Look at everyone chilling out behind me. I tell you what, this trip to LA has been amazing. I've been so lucky to hang out with a bunch of wonderful people. It's one of those things, like, often in life I feel like we take things for granted. You don't really appreciate the moment when it's happening. we often think back retrospectively and we're like, oh yeah, that was really cool. Whereas right now, I fully appreciate that I'm on a boat in LA with a bunch of cool people, loads of my really tight friends, and this is not anything that just happens every day. It's one of those one-off moments. So I feel pretty good, I feel very excited, and I'm so glad that this trip has been everything that I was hoping for.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Yeah, you coming with? Yeah, I'm gonna try and gain her. Here you go. Oh!
I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean.
I'm sat here at LAX waiting to board the plane, gonna head back to London now, and this has been such a fun time. Honestly, I feel really privileged that I've been able to do something like this, come out here to another part of the world and link up with some friends and see a real part of LA. You know, we went to go out on the boat, we got to spend time just chilling, we went to Vegas. There's been a lot of stuff that I've not been able to show you, unfortunately. Stay tuned, because there will be some more coming in maybe about 6 months' time. I'll be honest, this is kind of a bittersweet moment because I'm excited to get back to London. I'm really looking forward to eating healthy food again. Like, this place has not been good for food, because honestly I don't even think I've had a vegetable for the past 10 days. I'm really looking forward to get back to training, see my family, all that stuff. But I'm a bit gutted because the people that I've been with this week, they don't live in London. I'm not going to see them again for a while. So that's quite sad. What I can do is appreciate the time that we've had, and then just be excited and look forward to the next time that we get the opportunity to see each other again. I'm going to wrap things up there, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. If you don't follow me, make sure you follow me on Instagram at david.birtwistle. And the other thing that I'm going to miss is this weather. I've got the best tan. Look at that. Don't get this in London. Not at all. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you soon. Bye.